Oh.
Oh, a note.
Oh,
come on!
Oh!
That is like when you're trying to read something when you're asleep.
Yes, yes, it is. So I'm going to guess from context that this is we're looking like at a latchkey kid here, and this is a note from his mom or dad or someone that's like, sorry, had to work late back whenever, pizza's in the fridge, etc., etc.
Mm-hmm. Ah, there's it then. Okay.
Oh, stack of notes.
Uh-huh.
That's a little concerning.
Oh, I
Are
need
you a sim now? You need to go eat.
yes, I need food. Oh, the fridge is sparkly, so it's gotta be that. It's gonna be some food.
Okay, you're just gonna leave the book open and not return to it and just watch some TV. Yeah, that's typical.
I was gonna do some homework, but then I got hungry, so now I'm watching TV now that I have food. You know, it happens.
Mm-hmm. I'm a college student, I know this. I could play a game for an hour.
Okay, so now can I do my homework? Nope. Now I'm just gonna go to bed. Or something. Where I'm gonna go somewhere?
Oh, okay. Oh, okay.
Okay.
Alright.
Alright. I sort of assumed that was what I was supposed to do next, but I guess not.
We were reenacting a music video. Looking out into the distance.
So obviously there's a hot point around here somewhere that I'm just not seeing, but oh, there we go.
Oh, lamp. Can you not go back in? Oh. Okay.
I do like the way this game is managing to tell. I could be wrong on what the story is. Oh, it's homework time now, finally. I could be wrong on what the story is, but the clues I'm getting, even without dialogue or anything, just it's painting this picture of this neglected child here, which is really neat, I think. I mean, neglecting children is not neat, but this portrayal, this game, you know what I meant.
Okay, so what's he doing now?
He's crumbling up paper he ripped out from a book. Okay.
Well, that's not very nice.
Buzz Lightyear! Whee!
Man, his parents really are just, like, off somewhere.
Mm-hmm. Oh, he's gonna fall asleep at his desk.
He's got the bed right there.
Oh.
Yeah, but he lined up 4 blue blocks in a row and then it disappeared.
Oh.
Oh.
Okay.
Was that a clock? What was that?
I don't know.
Oh.
Oh.
Now that was a clock. So, So we had an alarm clock just go off. Kid got jostled out of his seat. Now he's off to school again. The question is, are we awake?
There's now a blanket around him that wasn't there before.
Yeah, I wondered if that was a parent coming in and, well, not even putting him to bed, just saying, oh, well, the child is there, blanket over, that's close enough.
Man, they're still not there the following morning, although we've got a note on the door.
The bed's unmade.
So it is. And we've got the... whatever that was, sitting on the bed, so they must have been here for at least a nap last night. But off they go again, clearly. Oh, I can't go without my backpack, I guess. Okay, so that's going to be in my room, I think.
It's by the dresser.
Here we go. Okay, let's get that. And the book.
And the book.
Look how happy he looks.
Oh.
Well, I meant in his sprite, but that too. I know that feel, kid.
Oh,
wait,
fridge.
there's a sparkly fridge.
Oh.
Yeah, that's Metadon.
Darling.
He's got a cupcake or something like that.
Oh, we have three
my
of them.
Cupcake power is full. You
My
can now...
muffin bar has been restored.
Oh, umbrella.
Well, where would... Oh, okay. Oh. Oh. Don't go outside without an umbrella.
Or I can just be a rebellious kid, I guess. Whoa.
Oh, God. No. No.
Who mounted the traffic light like that?
Huh.
No. I'm not having that again.
Oh, that's good. Tiny corridor between home and school.
That's okay, Eli. We'll get you some beta blockers and you'll be fine.
Oh, did he fall asleep during class?
Mm-hmm.
Oh.
Uh-oh. Ah!
Oh my God!
Kicked him with such force out of the room.
At such an angle, too.
Good shot, I have to say.
Boomerang kick when he just bends in midair around the door.
Nope, nothing over here.
Oh, just an inky black void.
Can you look at those windows, or is that not?
I can't really do much of anything that's not walking up to a hotspot, I think. I don't have an inventory or menu or anything like that. I can just, like, position my character in places where things happen.
Okay.
So we have locker trees. That's actually kind of a cool effect.
Mm-hmm.
Oh. Oh. Splash in the puddles.
Press space to puddle splash. Actually, it's just press space to jump in general, but obviously
Boing,
it's best
boing,
in
boing,
puddles.
Boing, 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 boing.
So, as always, you two will just have to take my word for this for now. You will see when I post the final video, but this is some really good music.
Yeah, well, we'll... Oh!
Oh.
Hello, trees!
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Now it's time to run in the other direction.
Is that a badger chasing a bird?
Ooh.
Don't anger the badger.
Of all the animals you want to mess with, badgers are typically not a good idea. Uh-oh.
Bird.
Oh no.
Oh, has it got a broken wing?
Oh, poor thing. Thank you for rescuing me.
Tail!
Go for it, bird. We believe in you. Oh.
It doesn't want you to go near the bird.
He didn't want you to go over there.
Okay. I
Yeah.
guess I'm not going that way then.
Oh, we've had the badger. There are the mushrooms.
Oh, and it's back.
Oh no! Nice shot.
This is mine now. This is mine.
Okay, so
I wonder where the bird went.
let's just smuggle an injured bird home. I'm sure this won't lead to sadness in any way.
Mm-hmm. Why do I feel rustling in my backpack? Oh. Oh.
And I am now the ultimate chimera.
Where's the button? Is the tree following you? The tree is following you. What the? Oh god. Oh no.
This is okay.
Unsettling.
Is this? Are we in the Lost Woods? Is this what's happening right now? Oh.
Aha.
Poor
That's actually really good thinking.
Mhm.
I thought he was just gonna take the bird home and try and care for it himself, and it would end in heartbreak. But yeah, that's a good. Oh, they're closed. Okay, back to Plan A then, I guess. Well, we tried.
Oh, people. Oh no, sorry. This is.
Oh.
Oh.
Aha.
Is this going to be Metal Gear Solid?
It's turning into a stealth game. I have to sneak the bird into the no animals allowed area. Okay.
Read.
I guess that one's okay. Okay.
Yeah, he's facing the elevator.
It's a backpack. How is he going to see it through? Unless it's making chirruping noises.
How's it not going to hear him then?
Maybe the range we're getting is a range of hearing, not sight. Maybe you can maybe you can only hear the bird if you're standing directly in front of the person in a conical shape.
Did you see that person sidestep with the bird out? Like, I don't want any part of that.
Okay, you're kind of a weird kid.
Oh.
Boy, well, I'm sure my parents would be really mad about this if I had any.